Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Saturday, March the 14th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. I see a lot of four fours, so we can start with a 4. Yes, alright. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here a 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 4, should be this one. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there, but I see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. I see I need more digits. Let's see, the number 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be here. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing digit is a 5, and I see here a 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. The only place for the 5 should be there. Yes. Okay. Then the following number is a 2. I see in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in this box. 1 box remain for the 2, should be this one. We go back to this column. The 3 numbers are missing in this column are the numbers 9, 2 and 3. 9, 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 9, 2 and 3. That means 1 box remain for the number 6, because we see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes, so the 6 should be there. These 3 numbers in this column, the numbers 9, 3 and 5. 9, 3 and 5. I see here 9 and a 3, so no 9 and a 3 in this box. That means 1 digit left should be the 5. Here we have 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. We see here a 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 and 6 are left for this big square. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. let's see, the 1, yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 is here and there, but I see here a 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. And then yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4. In these 3 boxes, I see there 4, so no 4. In these 2 boxes, 1 box remained for the 4 should be this one. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for a 3 should be here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Then 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 7 is here and there. But I see here a 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. All the 7s are used, I see. All the 4s are used. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 there. No 5 here. 5 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in the middle row for the number 6. 1 number left in the row above for the number 8. Then 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see, yes. Then, in this big, 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a we have a 2 here. 5 and 1. We have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here, and the 1 should be here. The 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 5. Yes, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. No, I made a mistake. Here 9, 9. This should be a 5. This should be a 5. Yes. Correction, 5. And here, the 2 numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5. There, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Sorry for the mistake, but we have finished this in 12 minutes. Alright, this Sudoku Medium is solvable for everyone. Anyway, if you like this Medium Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. And I will see you on Monday for a new edition of Sudokus. Bye bye.